Hi everybody, I'm Artem Aginsky with Texas Instruments. I am the general manager of our general purpose microprocessors, and I'm excited today to join here at the Phytec booth.
Hi, my name's Yves Astheim. I'm head of product management for Phytec, and today I'm here with Artem to show you our new AM62L and AM62P products. Artem, so what does the L stand for in AM62L?
It's actually a really great question. 62L, the L stands for light, because this is actually our most cost-optimized product in the AM62 family. Over the last couple of years, we've focused on optimizing the process, the IP, and the device combination to drive an industry-leading Linux SoC that is now enabling Phytec to build an amazing SOM based on this platform.
And what makes this product so interesting for customers?
The really interesting part about the AM62L product is that it's the lowest cost entry into a fully featured open source Linux ecosystem that enables you to solve pretty much any problem you want. It can be a controller for a factory, it can be a controller for a home, it can be a controller for a city, right? But where Linux comes in, it gives that scalability and flexibility. And this is the lowest cost, lowest power, fastest ways to get into that ecosystem.
And not only headless devices, right? It also has a display interface.
Absolutely. That actually makes it very unique. You're right. Most Linux products are only headless. This particular one brings display capabilities as well. So now you can add a screen to your controller, right? And have the direct interface between whatever you need to control. So Yves, tell me, what have you guys done to really optimize your SOM for the AM62 Lite platform?
Well, we followed the idea of a high-performant, low-cost product. So we made sure that we optimize the BOM costs for this product. PCB costs are very low because we were able to actually save in layers. We have made it scalable with other products from TI, for example, the AM62P. So they're pin compatible and easy interchangeability. So if you need an upscale in terms of graphics performance, you can just switch, or you can create one product that has low graphics and then just create another derivative out of the same product with more performance. Yeah, we followed the idea of providing a very cheap Linux-based product. So the advantage is that you get all the cool features from Linux that are standardized, all the libraries, everything at a very low cost price. So if you're really requiring Linux features, that's the way to go. Of course, we brought out all the industrial interfaces of the product, the 2 gigabit Ethernet ports, the CAN, everything. So there's no limitations in features, everything can be used. And of course, the small form factor enables you to design it into any small product, even mobile devices. With our new footprint, FPSC based, it's a standardized footprint. We could make a solder-on system on module that also saves costs because you don't have the connectors, and it's standardized, so it actually scales with other TI products. For example, the AM62P. All the power management is supported that TI has already prepared, like deep sleep and suspend to RAM and so on. We make it easy to use the AM62L in your design because we've already taken care of all the relevant circuitries around the processor that are needed to run this processor, like the memory. The module itself just needs 2 pins to start booting, and then you can use all the other pins as interfaces and utilize all the cool features that Artem has defined into his product. So what's next on the roadmap for AM62L?
Yeah, very exciting. 62L for us is just the beginning, right? We're just announced and started to sample it here at the show. And we're now investing significantly to bring lots of cool software on top of this platform. Today we released Linux, but we're rapidly working on bringing RTOS such as Zephyr to the platform as well. That's going to open up a lot of new cool opportunities and new end equipments, right? And we'll continue to innovate for cost as we always have done, right? But I'm excited that we're going to get this product to the market here imminently.
Yeah, and we're going to follow that. We'll be having alpha kits in April available for customers to evaluate on our development platform the processor and use all the cool interfaces and then start designing their own carrier board, or we can do that for you. And yeah, and Artem, I think mass production is Q3 25, right?
That's right, that's right. We're in the process now to qualify, get the device ready for mass production, as this is going to be a popular one, and we want to make sure that we have all the supply everybody will need.